Good morning everyone. My name is Pushka Prakash Marge from grade 8. Today I am going to tell you today's day and date. Today's day is Saturday and today's date is 19 July 2025. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning. My name is Dhanra Sunil Patil. I am from grade 8. Today, every Saturday, we observe Mindfulness Saturday. On the behalf of it, I am going to share you today's thought of the day. Practicing a mindful moment in the middle of the day helps to bring you back into the center, reset, and move into the rest of your day with a great clarity and focus. Thank you, and have a nice day ahead.
Good morning everyone, myself Vaibhav Bhosle from grade 8.
I am Safa Sadiq Shikalgar from grade 8.
I am Diya Gugle from grade 8.
I am Aradhya Magdum from grade 8.
Today I am share with you some importance of the day. Today's importance of the day is National Football Day. Celebrate the game and its impact.
What is National Football Day? National Football Day celebrates football, its history, teams, players, and it has worldwide impact.
The day is observed in different countries, marking a key event or milestone in football history.
It reminds fans of the football's passion, excitement, and unifying the power as the world's most popular sport.
Now I am telling to you some facts about football. Football global reaches. Our 4 million people around the world celebrate football, following the football to make its most popular game or sport.
The FIFA World Cup is most watched sporting event globally.
Sheffield Football Club is founded in 1857, recognized as world's oldest football club, and it is still in existence.
Now I will tell you few important iconic football players. First, Pele. Pele is 3 times World Cup winner, over 1000 goals.
Lionel Messi has won numerous Ballon d'Ors and led Argentina to 2022 World Cup victory.
Cristiano Ronaldo is all-time top scorer and has won multiple Ballon d'Or awards.
Football around the world, Europe, Premier League, La Liga and Series.
South American countries like Brazil and Argentina are the football powerhouse.
Asia and Africa continent has growing football scenes in countries like Japan, Nigeria and Egypt.
Major tournaments are FIFA World Cup, UEFA Champions League, and Copa America and AFCON.
Now I am telling you, football teach us more than just a game. It's about perseverance, teamwork, and unifying power of the sport. At Shraddha Olympiad School, we believe in fostering these values in every student, encouraging them to dream big, work hard, and play with passion on and off the field. Thank you.